Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So basically this is our third day training session and we already covered the second day, and I hope you already show these classes, video recorded classes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will start our third day session. So hi and welcome to the advanced 7 days training on Google Earth Engine platform. So basically this is the full course for Google Earth Engine from beginners to advanced level, and I am course coordinator. So basically this is the full course content of our course module. Okay, so within the 7 days we also completed all of the course content, and here I also try to show you the air quality parameter. So mainly this air quality parameter, which air quality
Recording in
parameter
progress.
is available on the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery. Okay, I also try to show you all of these things, but we can also do for the PM 2.5 or PM 10, or you can easily do the Google Earth Engine platform, but we also need to use here the another algorithm for showing this result. Okay, so this is our total full course for the 7 days course module, and today our third day, and third day course content will be that I will discuss about the filtering and displaying the satellite images Sentinel-2 and monitoring the NDWI. And previous day classes I also try to show you that how you can easily filter the Landsat imagery. Okay, so today I also try to show you the filtering and displaying the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery using the Google Earth Engine platform. Then NDVI time series chart. Okay, so mainly suppose you want to make the NDVI or NDWI or other any indices or any other you want to make the check the time series chart. Okay, what is the time series chart of your area in the specific time period. Okay, you can want to check it, you can easily make the time series chart for analysis this data. Then how to export any shapefile. So mainly if you want work with the any river area or any, actually we can easily export any shapefile, whatever it will be, river, lake or other, we can easily export any shapefile, and this is the totally georeference shapefile, and this shapefile we can easily use any geospatial software, just ArcMap or QGIS. Okay, then calculating any indices from satellite images. So mainly in this time I also try to discuss about the how you can easily calculate the different types of band combination. Suppose I want to calculate the NDVI, so we already know about the NDVI formula. NDVI formula is the near infrared band minus red divided by sum of the two band near and red. Okay, so we also try to show you that how you can easily calculate the any indices or for calculating the any indices, okay, using the satellite imagery. Then how to add the gradient legend. Okay, so we also know about the legend. Okay, so gradient legend, how you can easily add the legend in Google Earth Engine platform, we also try to discuss about this. And then LST monitoring. So this is the land surface temperature monitoring. So mainly we can monitor the land surface temperature using the two things. If you want, you can use the MODIS satellite imagery, or if you want, you can also use the Landsat. Okay, so I also try to show you the two things, how you can easily make the land surface temperature monitoring using the MODIS as well as also Landsat imagery. Okay, then NDWI calculated from MODIS and Landsat data. Okay, so this is our third day course content. Okay, so we will try to start and cover all of these things. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, filtering and visualizing the satellite images in Google Earth Engine platform. So this is the filter. Okay, so it's depend on some factor. Suppose how you we will filter. Suppose you want to need the sentinel imagery for a specific area. Suppose which area you just send me in my email, I want to get the sentinel imagery only for this area. Okay, so first filtering factor is that a specific region. Okay, suppose I select my specific region, Dhaka city. Okay, first factor is that you select your region. Second factor is that you need to select the specific image properties. Okay, suppose I want to need these images which image will not be more than 1% cloud cover. So this is the cloud cover, this is the image properties. Okay, I want to filter also this image properties. I want to need only for those images which image will not be more than 1% cloud cover. Okay, then we also need to select a specific time period. Okay, suppose I want to need the sentinel imagery for the year of 2017 or whatever what the date you need, just you can select your specific time period. Okay, so now I also try to show you the practically how you can do this. So I simply open my code editor. So here you can see this is my code editor, and first of all I already uploaded your shapefile, so I also try to check it. Your shapefile name is the Delhi study area. So I simply just refresh this asset, and then I simply open this. What is it? Okay, so this is our shapefile. Suppose I want to show this Sentinel-2 satellite imagery within this area, and I also calculated the NDWI. Okay, so I simply import this shapefile in here. You can see it will be imported, and default variable name is the table. I simply change the, suppose I want to give the name is that ROI. Okay, whatever you use the any name, I simply use the ROI. Okay, I want to show this boundary in the map interactive view, so I simply add a layer, then I simply use here my object name is the ROI, and I also focusing this shapefile. I simply use here the map dot center object. Okay, and ROI and 10, assume level 10. I simply run this code, so you can see this is our shapefile. And now I want to use this shapefile for use here the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, and then I also want to calculate the NDWI. Okay, for this region. Okay, so first of all you need to search in here. Suppose I simply search here the Sentinel-2. Okay, so here you can see lot of collection will be available for the Sentinel-2, and from the lot of collection I want to select here the Sentinel multispectral instrument level 1C. So this is the multispectral instrument. So we use this satellite imagery. You can see Sentinel-2 multispectral instrument level 1C. You can see all of the description about this dataset. You can see this is the band name, also image properties. Okay, so first of all I need to import this image collection in my code editor. So you can simply click to the import, or if you want you can also copy this collection snippet and paste in your code editor. So I simply paste. Okay, and then I also put a variable name. I simply put the variable name is the S2A or Sentinel-2A. Okay, I simply use this name. Okay, so now you can see it will be imported this image collection in here. Okay, so now I want to filter the different types of function. I want to filter, suppose in this time I want to need the satellite Sentinel-2 satellite imagery a specific time period. I want to need, suppose year of 2017 or 2021. Okay, so for this I want to simply use here the filter date function, and after this I simply put here the start date and end date. I simply put here the start date will be 2021 1st January. Okay, and second date will be that I simply put here the second date year 2021, suppose December 31. I simply put here my start date and end date. Okay, so this is my one factor for filtering. another factor is that I want to filter the image properties. You can see here this image has the different types of image properties. You can simply check the image properties in here. You can see cloud pixel percentage, this is the one property. Cloud coverage assessment, this is the one property. And you can see there are the lot of image properties will be available here. Okay, suppose in this time I want to need only for those images which image will not be more than 1% cloud pixel. Okay, I want to check this. Okay, so you can see I want to use this cloud pixel percentage. I want to need only for those images which image less than 1% cloud cover or 20% cloud cover, or what you need. You can just simply put this value. Okay, so I simply copy this properties name cloud pixel percentage, and then I simply use here this filter. Okay, then I simply use here the earth engine filter, then less than I simply put here this image properties name, then I simply put here the value is the 1% or 10%, whatever you need. Okay, I simply put here the cloud pixel percentage was percent. I need the only for those images which image will not less than cloud pixel 1%. Okay, so then I also need to work, I want to check how many images will be available in this time period in here. So I simply use here the print function, and then I simply use here the s2a, then I simply use here the size function. Size is a function, it's determined how many images will be available in your specific area. Okay, so I simply click to the run. You can check the console tab. Okay, it will be computing how many images will be available between this time period. Okay, and cloud and this image also cloud pixel percentage less than 1%. Okay, so it will be computing. And previous class I also try to show you that how you can easily reduce this image collection. Okay, so here you can see we can get the totally lot of this is the big image collection will be available here. If you want, you can also check when this image will be captured, for the different types of image will be captured. I simply click to the run. You can see this all of the information about this image collection. You can see which image will be captured, all of the specific date you can see here. Okay, so here you can see this is the you can say this is the one of the, it will be not calculating about the 5000 element. Okay, so this is the one of the, so this is the one of the limitation Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so I can simply reduce this image collection because there are the lot of image collection, and up to 5000 images it will be not capable. Okay, so that's how you can get this error message. So I simply, suppose I want to need the images for the first 2nd February. Okay, so I simply use here the February. I also decrease this date and click to the run. So now I can get this how many images will be available in my area between this time period. Okay, it will be also showing this the 5000 element. Okay, I also increase this date, decrease this date, and try to check.